Hello and welcome to a video tutorial on how to create and share links via FaceTime. Now, this method is going to show you how to do this regardless of whether the people you are wanting to chat with have iOS, they have Android, or they have a Windows phone or whatever it may be. So the first thing you want to do is go to Settings, and then now if you're running an updated version of iOS, you'll have a search bar there at the top of the Settings app, and just search for FaceTime. To pull up FaceTime here. As you see, there's the FaceTime app in settings. If you tap into that, make sure that right here where it says FaceTime, that is enabled. If that's disabled or turned off over to the left, you will not be able to send or receive FaceTime calls through the method that we're going to be talking about today. Next, I want you to go ahead and open up your FaceTime app. It's a green app with a little video camera icon there. And then once we're here, we're going to see something that says Create Link or New FaceTime. The one that we want to do is Create Link. If we tap on Create Link there at the top of the screen, we'll see a couple of options. We'll see the ability to share via AirDrop, message, email, and all of the normal suspects here. But the one that we want to do is go to Copy. It should be one of the first options here where it says Copy. If you just tap on Copy, it'll automatically copy that FaceTime link for you. Now hop over to your browser of choice on your device. For me, this is Safari. It could be Google Chrome or whatever you use. Paste in that link just to test it so I can show you what this is going to look like, and tap Go. As you can see, if I'm on an iOS device, it's going to prompt me to open FaceTime if I have that enabled. But I'm going to show you what it looks like if you are not using an iOS device. As you can see, here we are from the link that I just copied and sent over to whoever you want to join the call. You will have to tap into the name box there to type in whatever you want to be called on the call, and then tap the green continue button. It'll then ask you, do you want to have FaceTime have access to your microphone and camera? Just tap allow, and as you can see, you can see me here. This is what I will look like on FaceTime. You can tap the camera icon to remove video. You can tap the microphone icon to mute yourself or remove audio. The same thing goes when you press or depress those icons. And then when you're ready to go or you want to end it, you just go here, tap the 3, and you can see who is joined from the link, the different settings that you have as far as the front camera, back camera, all of that. And then when you're ready to leave the call, you just open, that tab and then just close out of that tab. So that's really it. Once we go back to Create Link here, you tap on that. You can see that you can send that via message. You can send that via email or FaceTime. You can even AirDrop that. Very easy to create that link. And then once you create the link, you can even add a name to the group. So you can just give your Facebook link a name, say group, okay. That gives it a nice name. And as you can see, if I send that via message, it'll just have a green join link right there that they can tap on within messages, and they'll just need to tap the join option there, and then it'll automatically bring up FaceTime or the web browser of your choice. So that's it. That's how you create and send or share a link to anyone to join you on a FaceTime call. If you have any questions on how to do this, please put that in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.